The youth of Africa are we safe in this land. Bonfiring every day, are we safe in this land. Bonfiring everywhere, are we safe in this land. Mothers of Africa, are we safe in this land. Bonfiring every day, are we safe in this land. Bonfiring everywhere, are we safe today. Leaders of Africa, are we safe in this land. Bonfiring everywhere, are we safe in this land. In times of election, you promise the future. In times of election, you promise a cool life. Why are we living now? We come firing every day. Why are we living now? We come firing everywhere. Leaders of Africa, we need to say something. Mothers of Africa, we need to say something. The youths are dying from gunfiring every day. The youths are dying from gunfiring everywhere. Yeah! The youths are dying every day because of gunfiring in Africa. People are suffering in Africa. Shuba! 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 Shuba!